The Masterclass event is life-changing. This is my first, and I am so excited to be here. It is all I ever thought it would be and more. I mean, Keri Glassman and her team have brought in the smartest of the smart scientists to share with us cutting-edge nutrition, cutting-edge science in topics that are so pertinent to our day in and day out conversations with our clients. Hi, I'm Heather Goldberg from Highlands Ranch, Colorado, and I am a nutritional lifestylist. I help people live longer, happier, healthier lives, holistically and healthy. I love my brain, and I love teaching others how to take care of their brains as well. The community Keri has built here and the culture is the best you can imagine. That's what this weekend has been. It's just community and vulnerability and strength balanced by each other, learning from each other, learning from experts, and then all sharing our best business practices. I would recommend this event to anybody who is wondering how they can empower their own lives or the people they love most. This program, and this weekend especially, gives a foundation of so much knowledge and information that we can take for ourselves, for our family, and the clients we serve.